When you start using AI tools, everything becomes powerful, but also messy. Multiple outputs, multiple IDs, multiple directions, and everything gets mixed. By the end of the series, we will build a solid and flexible system that uses Git, fully owned and fully flexible. It is not a Git tutorial hell, but how I simplified the commands for anyone working on any project to be able to have a strong professional-like system. Until now, everything you build lives on your machine, but what if you could own your Git system? Private, controlled, independent. In this video, we move from local usage to real ownership. So here, user settings, you have the account, the profile, the appearance. Now your work is not only local, but stored in your own system. Private, controlled, reliable. So let's create a new repository. The owner, it's our user. Let's call it Kenji-workspace. Just use the default, we create it. We're gonna prefer the SSH link. There is an HTTP link as well. Those are the commands that you can use, but just follow along with me. The full architecture will be available inside the community. I'll see you in the next.